must really like these videos. You keep watching them. So today we're going to work on the flange lab. I know it's a lab, but I'm going to treat it like a lecture. It's a little bit difficult. The first time I went to draw this part, I wanted to do this first, and I tried to extrude it, and I had some problems. If you haven't done that yet, you should try it. Pause video, draw this first, like you were thinking, extrude it, see what happens. And after you've done that, hopefully you have, we're not going to do that. We're going to use this detail. Specifically, we're going to just draw half of it. Draw a line through here and revolve it around it. It's going to take a few videos to get this done, but here we go. So I'm going to go to Inventor and say File, New, Part, and start 2D sketch on the XY plane. Now, you're going to have to do a little math, figure out how tall this is. I'm going to make this that height. So do the math, pause video, or it's 41. Could you figure that out? Good. Alright, the inner circle is 20, so radius-wise that would be 10, so we're going to come 10, and I'm just going to go ahead and take this all the way down. Alright, next, we have that 32 diameter circle, which would be 16 in radius, and we've already come out 10, so that'd be 6. Okay, now we're coming down, and that first measurement given there is 9.6. Great. Okay, now this part, it would have a diameter of 20, which would be, I'm sorry, 40, but here it'd be a radius of 10. We've already come out 16, so it's 4 more. Okay. Alright, I'm going to clean a couple of these up. And now this part we'll have to do some math too. Try to figure that out on your own. Pause and come on back. Yeah. It's 8.4. Oops. Let me undo that. .4. Alright, and then I'll bring that back 4 millimeters, and then I'll come down 6.2. Right, and now this next part, I'll escape. This next part is given on the upper part of the drawing, which is 57.2. So you want to divide that by 2, and that's 28.6, but we're already out 16, so we need to subtract 16 from that, which would give us 12.6 on that dimension there. Okay. Now we can bring that down, and that is 10.5. Okay. Whoops. Redo that. 10.5. Alright. And now we're going out to the biggest dimension, the biggest circle, which is 108.2. We'll divide that by 2. That'll give us 54.1 from the center. So instead of subtracting all this and trying to figure it out, I'm just going to bring that back, and then I'll come forward 54.1. Perfect. And then that comes down here, 6.3, and then we'll just finish it off right there. Okay. Now I'm going to just remove some of these dimensions, and we'll get trimming up some of those lines in a moment. That's pretty good. I can trim this. I think I need to do some more work in here. And this dimension seems to be missing, but I would go with, it's got to be lined up with that because it's not given, even though it kind of looks like it isn't. So like that. And now if I trim that, this, and hit escape. There we go. Looking good. Alright. Now I'm going to use my fillet. And it's 2. That's good. I want to fillet that. I want to fillet that. I want to fillet this. Like so. Is that it? And right here. I want to... It went away. Why can't I do this one? That one and that. Okay. I'll hit escape. We'll drop that. Looking good. Okay. I'm gonna trim that. There we go. Looks good. Alright, so I'm gonna finish my sketch. And then I'm going to revolve instead of extrude. And I'll bring this over so you can see. So this pops up. Alright, and it's looking for the line. I click on that line, and look at that. Pretty cool. And say OK. Alright, we're ready to go. I'll do the next part in the next video. See you then.